Hi, this is Jeff from the Ozark Mountains in Missouri, USA. This is our C64 donation series, and this is the first video where we're going to work on some of the things that were donated. Now, these are new joysticks. They are Hyperkin Troopers, and by all accounts, they are very good and reasonably priced Atari-style replica joysticks. These Hyperkin Trooper joysticks were nicely donated by Josh Malone, and the one thing he recommended was doing the glue fix on the handles. As I didn't see any other videos on the subject, I thought I would do a quick video about that, which might be useful to other people that are buying these nice joysticks. Let's get a close-up look at this and we'll see what the problem is. Here is our joystick, and it's actually a very comfortable stick to hold in the hand. It's sized about right. It's got the front corners here kind of beveled off so you don't poke yourself with it, and if you're a righty or a lefty, you've got the fire button right where you want it. Now, the one problem these have revolves around this stick. It's very easy to unscrew, so if as you're playing you're getting all excited and you're jerking this around and that starts getting loose, it's very easy to get that loose enough to break off. See, it just unscrews from there. And the one thing I noticed on this, let's see if I can get zoomed in here so you can see it. Yeah, you can just see that split right there. It looks like that inner part might be molded in two separate pieces, or at least there's a crack in between there, so this makes me hesitant to want to use any type of liquid glue on that. Not only might it be impossible to take apart later if you should need to, but it might leak down on the inside. So we'll take a different tact. I think the first thing we'll do though is get some alcohol on a swab and clean the parts up so the glue will stick. Okay, so I've got a little alcohol in here and a clean cotton swab, aka Q-tip. I'll just go around here and clean up the mating threads. This is damp, but it's not so wet I need to worry about dripping anything inside of the joystick. Okay, and we'll give that a few minutes to dry, and then we'll put some glue on there. I went ahead and got the second joystick out of the box, and I cleaned everything up with alcohol as well. I'm going to use some E6000 glue on this. It is similar in consistency to silicone, and it sticks really well to plastics and metal, but it's not going to be so permanent that, you know, if somebody really needed to back this handle out of here, they'll still be able to do that if they try. And it's not liquid enough that it's going to run down inside and ruin things, which is just as important. So I am going to put just a little on the start of the threads like this. I'll run it down in there and tighten it pretty good, and we'll do the same thing with the other one. Okay, now we can just let these set. Give it a good 24 hours for this glue to set up, and then we'll try them out. Well, it's been about 24 hours, and the E6000 glue we put on this stick has had time to cure, and I thought we would play a little Jumpman and see how it goes. One thing I noticed is this stick has a really long cord, so if you're going to use this in your living room or something on your retro gaming system, this would be perfect. Let's try this out here. I think I just made it faster, I'm not sure. Oh yeah. And I'm definitely not used to this particular stick. Oh my goodness. This is way too fast. But it actually has a really good feel to it. It's got a good weight. It's not all creaky and cheap feeling. Hey, how about that? I fell and hit the dot. And they did a really nice job on the strain relief here too. It's tucked inside the base where you're not going to tweak the cord right there. It's got a much different feel than the one I'm used to. But it works quite well. Oh my goodness. I completely messed up this pattern. But we'll see what we can do here. I think I can finish this level. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, that wasn't too bad. So all in all, these Hyperkin Trooper joysticks are a great little joystick. Works really good with the Commodore. And thanks to Josh Malone for donating these to this project. Until next time, bye. I'm going to play some Jumpman. I died.